Hey guys, Courtney here with this week's craft. This will be the last video for the Kids at Home series because we're going to take a little break for summer, but I will see you all at church in the fall. So for our last video, I decided to show you how to make ice cream at home. Don't forget you can view other videos and crafts at frcsiouxfalls.com. Now let's get started. Here are the supplies you'll need. Sugar, ice, half and half, ice cream salt, vanilla extract, measuring cups, sandwich Ziploc bags, and gallon Ziploc bags. Here's the recipe for the ice cream. In the sandwich size Ziploc bag, we're going to add half and half, sugar, and vanilla extract. Now once we've added our ingredients, I'm going to seal the bag, so push the air out and make sure it has a nice seal on it because we don't want anything to leak into our ice cream. And then take the larger gallon size Ziploc bag and add the rock salt and ice. And then we're gonna add our liquid ingredients and put that in there. Next, you're gonna wanna make sure you seal that tightly, and let's go outside and mix our ice cream. Now that we have our ice cream in a bag already, you're gonna move it around until it becomes solid ice cream. This could take up to 10 minutes, and it's gonna get a little cold, so you might want some gloves. But once it's done, we get to enjoy ice cream. Once you've finished mixing it, you can take your bag out, open it, and enjoy your ice cream. Thank you for joining me for all the crafts, and I will see you all again soon. But before we go, I have one final joke for you. Where do you go to learn to make ice cream? Sunday school. See ya! Any extra? You're laughing.
You spilled everywhere.
I know! How long are you gonna do? Not quite sure. Thank you for joining. I need to take a smaller bite. Thank you for joining. Okay. Scream. Thank you.
I was biting my lips so I wouldn't laugh.
Okay, I'm gonna fake your ice cream. That was so cheesy. Okay. Now, I lost my train of thought. I was focused on that so much. Thank you for joining me for all those crafts.
Eating ice cream's never been so difficult.
How do they do it on TV?